So in this video here, I'm going to show you two different types of tangents to a circle. This one here is where the point P is outside of the circle, and this one here where the point P is on the circle. So the first thing we have to do, we have to join. Now, this should all be done with your 2H pencil, nice and light. Join your point P to the center of the circle. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to get your compass and you're going to bisect that line. We call this C. Okay, you're going to bisect the line P to C. Okay, so any distance longer than halfway, swing an arc here, swing an arc here, swing an arc here, and swing an arc here. You're going to join where those two arcs meet, and that's going to give us the bisector, the center of this line, CP. Next, we're going to put our compass here. And we're going to draw this circle. Now, wherever this circle meets this circle, this is going to give us our point of contact. Point of contact. So we simply join our P to our point of contact. That will give us our tangent. And if we join point P to the center of the circle, that will give us our normal. Exact same over here. So point P to the center. We call this C for center. We get our compass. Any distance is longer than halfway. You're going to swing an arc. Swing an arc. Where those two arcs cross, join those together, and that's going to get to the center of the line CP. Put your compass there. And you're going to swing this arc. And where those two circles cross each other, that is getting your 2 points of contact. Points of contact. And it's so hard to label them in because in the exams they will ask you to indicate the points of contact. You draw your point P to that there, and that is going to get you your tangent. And if we draw our point of contact to our C center, that will get us our normal. And you'll notice that those are perpendicular to each other. So again, joining our center to P, we are going to bisect this line, setting our compass to any distance longer than halfway. That will get us our center here. And again, where those two cross, point of contact, point of contact. We draw P through there to get our tangents. And from the center through that to get our normal. Depending on the question, they may ask you just to draw one side or the other. All right. Now, so that's when the point is outside of the circle. And these ones down here, now we're going to look at when the point is actually on the circle. So this point P is on the circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw our P to the center. All right. And that is actually straight away giving us our normal. Now you could, having your set squares like this, draw that line out there because we said in the previous one that the normal and the tangent are 90 degrees to each other. But in the exam, they like to see some sort of construction. So what we're going to do, we're going to do this one here. Again, if we draw our center through P, straight away, that is giving us our normal. But we want to draw a line now 90 degrees to that. And as I showed you previously, we can just do that with set squares, but there's another way. You get your compass. You put the metal part of the compass at P. And you draw a semicircle length. So, getting you 180 degrees. We'll call this 1 and 2. Basically, we're bisecting a straight angle. So putting now your metal part of your compass at 1, you swing an arc. Put the metal part of the compass at 2, swing an arc, making sure both arcs are the same distance. When we join this P, or this point here, back to here, that is going to give us our tangent. PE is also our point of contact. So again, our normal. We can tune that on out a little bit. Put our compass here. So we've just simply drawn a line from our center of our circle out through P to get our normal. And again, we're going to bisect this. So we're going to swing an arc here, swing an arc here. Get our compass. Doesn't matter what distance we set it to. We're going to swing 1 from 1. And we'll swing another arc from 2. And that then is going to get us our tangent. And this P point on it is also our point of contact.